What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Everything DSK.
Guys, we're back with another video. It's vending machine day again. We're gonna collect from like 5 machines, I think, today. So come along.
So right now we're headed to our school's cafeteria and we're gonna pick up some chips and snacks so we can save money on expenses.
And guys, this is a video you guys don't want to miss. There's a lot of money to be made out here, so stay tuned.
We're all saddled up. There's Donald. We got our bags full. We're about to head to the first location.
We are at our first location, guys. And Sarahkay.
Got a bank bag here, ready to collect.
So let's go. How you doing?
Hi. Do you have any more pastries we could put in?
I have
Hey!
So I unplugged that today.
This one?
Yeah,
Snack one?
The snack one?
that's that one. 'Cause it, like, I plugged it back in but it was like doing nothing and everybody kept putting money in
It
it.
was on nothing. Yeah, I'm getting.
Yeah, this is the one we're gonna
It is
replace.
bring out
I'm
the
sorry.
place,
I probably shouldn't have unplugged it, but
That's fine.
sometimes it like,
yeah. Alright, we're getting a new one. Like the one we're gonna get is gonna have like a drop sensor, so like make sure that the stuff come down.
oh cool,
Like,
thank you. I appreciate you guys taking care of us.
I stacked this whole row.
They are running through it. Go down there first. Yeah, guys, this is so full. I should brought another one.
Let me drop this. We could do like the recording next time.
No way. I got it.
Guys, this by far is becoming like our best vending machine. Sarahkay, where you at? Sarahkay.
Best location ever, guys.
Guys, we're having trouble. We were having trouble putting the money inside. Like, that's how much it was. You feel me? I think that's a calm $300-$400. It's been like 2 weeks. Guys, mind you, I've been coming here a lot, by the way, too. Like, every single day. Because this machine's been having us a lot of problems. So we're blessing them with a new machine. So stay tuned. I don't want to count the money.
We're back in the car, guys.
Back in the whip. Wait, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys how much money it is. Ready?
Unbelievable. The way this is so heavy.
Guys, there's so many coins in here. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, guys, we're at location 2. Sarahkay walking up the stairs.
It was Dollar Ginger.
No, it's from the inside. You call me and then pick up.
Does it look like I'm rushing?
Yes.
No.
Guys, this is our last location that we're gonna do today. Our first location we ever done. Crazy. And now we have like 5 locations. Come on, like.
Ooh la la. Are you kidding me?
$10. A 20?
They want to change.
Nah, they definitely want to change, bro. There's a 10 and a 20 and a 5. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Crazy. Those are the coins. They definitely
We
want
can leave it. It's not a lot. These coils are like broken. Let's look. Take a peek. Compared to the other places, this is like terrible. This place only needs one vending machine, one combo, because they don't make enough for 2.
Like, look at all the dollar coins in here.
All right, guys, we're back at the school and we're about to count the money. Which one do you want to do?
Alright, let's do the small.
Small? I'll do
Just small.
Do both of those though. Crazy. Money talks. This is 80 plus 15 is 95, right?
Yeah.
So this is 395.
$295.
200. 300. And almost made to 400. This is $95. So this is from the social clubhouse. Look at all these coins. Donald's telling me to count these coins. I'm gonna count them though. I'm not counting these nickels and stuff.
You're gonna count nickels too, man.
No.
Yes.
No.
That's right. You chose the bigger bag. Okay, I chose the small one.
You chose the small one. Guys, look how he's counting. I don't know how I'm holding this up with one hand, but I'm doing it. So cool, guys. Can you guess how much money this is?
Okay guys, so we're gonna do this in order. So the first location, guys, we went to, biggest location, this was crazy numbers, guys. First location, we had $450. Sarahkay's holding $300.
This is $395 in cash, and then the rest was in quarters.
The rest is in quarters and dimes, yeah. Next, second location we went to was the care center.
But can we just talk about how crazy this is?
Guys, we're thankful. We appreciate everything. Thank God, all that good stuff. Guys, it's been like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks.
Yeah.
Crazy,
Because
guys.
it's a Friday, so yeah.
So next, the next location we went to was the care center, and that we made $157.40. This is our first location, our baby. You know what I'm saying? The first vending machines we ever bought.
We got
beef for them though. We got beef for them though, but. That location, we made $108.50. So that was all right. We have a little beef with them. We've been like not filling up the vending machines to like the max because
they don't buy enough for us to fill up the vending machines.
And also like they crack our machines, so we're being petty right now.
This is a whole story time coming, guys.
We'll do the truth on vending, but guys, in total for 2.5 weeks, the 3 vending machine locations, mind you, we have 2 other locations that we didn't even visit yet. So we probably could have made like $800, $900, but. We'll probably do it in the next video, but we have a whopping total, guys, of $715.90. But guys, anyways, what a video. Great video. Coins.
Pray for us that we don't get robbed or anything. What the heck?
What's that?
Oh, nice. That was
Shushing.
God, I've lied. There was another stack over here. Donald's dropping money, guys.
Okay, guys, we're done with the video.
Donald's dropping money.
Bye. See you guys next video.
No. I'll catch you on the next video.
All I'm saying, bro. Wait, one second. All I'm saying. Shout out to all my hustlers. Shout out to all the people that's making money. We ain't stopping. Look into my eyes. You see the hustle in my eyes.
I just rubbed my nose by accident.
Guys, look at my eyes, bro. You see the hustle in me. I ain't stopping, bro. We never stopping out here, bro.
Deuces.
All night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.